Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Ramba Kajala uba Prestone Tensong, hagas gining kong ula Bthah liang persya ke Voice of the People Party, bahkan wat Jingshisha, jaga ban Kynnoh Lymwir persya sorkar jela, bad jing persyang jongka banwendra roi kapar hapo Kajala. Habe ekran beginong thok kubor uba Prestone ule tho, baka VVP kalau Kynnoh bakam dan satya kanu jing poida, wat pedeng jing penut jongka sorkar dagi klor tingka, klem da wat Jingshisha. Karkum ke jing ong jong u ki don shibun ki jing bentoy haman ki kam ki baga sorkar kala Kynnoh ula ong ru baga sing VVP kade banit wat de Jingshisha shaki shnong ki thau hakbe de ba ki jing Kynnoh jong ka sorkar banlap laki la seso ne em bat la ki de ki ba ai jing bentoy ne bom phoida ula ong kade ka kamram jong ki banne ekata abakin ne wat nang tang ban shong ha office Baju Kynnoh matla kumtu kabha philai hi dala dia bat pet ya kishnong ki thau anda philai I dala ki khmat phila ban Kynnoh ba omdon aa bat dei tang kijing kam suda jong ka sorkar ong uba Prestone.
I don't know what are they trying to say that without the positive impact. What does it mean? Because see, every sectors where we invested, I'm telling you the impact is there. So I would request this political party, let them, I think they are also responsible to find out. Don't say that only the report from the government side. They can go to the ground, find out whether, okay, whatever investment claim invested by the government, whether the outcome is there or not, whether is it positive or negative. I think it is their duty to do that. Let them go. Don't just sit in the office and don't just criticize blindly like that. You better go by yourself and then see on the ground. The moment you see on the ground, then okay, you can say no, it's nothing is there. But the government has claimed thought, So therefore, I would request the political party, any political party, if you are not certified, go to the ground. You will find the reality. Because right now, as I said to people, in every sector that we have invested all these years, I think we were seeing the positive outcome out of it.